Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're comparing two of the most popular hairstyling tools of 2025, the Dyson Airwrap and the Shark FlexStyle. Let's see which one stands out for your hairstyling needs. Starting with the Dyson Airwrap, this tool is known for its innovative technology that uses airflow to style your hair without extreme heat. It comes with multiple attachments like barrels for curling, a smoothing brush, and a dryer, making it incredibly versatile for different hair types. The Air Wrap's intelligent heat control ensures your hair stays healthy by maintaining the ideal temperature. It's also designed to handle thick or coarse hair with ease, offering smooth, voluminous results. On the other hand, the Shark FlexStyle offers a similar performance with its powerful airflow and flexible attachments. It also comes with multiple styling options, including a curling iron, blow dryer, and brush attachments. One standout feature is the cool shot function, which helps set your curls or waves for long-lasting styles. The Shark FlexStyle is slightly more affordable than the Dyson, making it an attractive alternative for those looking for a high-quality tool without the hefty price tag. In terms of performance, both devices are great, but the Dyson Airwrap tends to provide a more premium styling experience, especially for people with thicker or longer hair. The Shark FlexStyle offers excellent value with its versatile features, making it perfect for anyone who wants great results without breaking the bank. So, which one do you think suits your hairstyling routine better? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech and beauty comparisons. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.